Hello everyone and welcome to SmartMove2UK. We've been inundated with a lot of companies, startups, small, large. It's an upsurge within Indian companies who want to set their footprints in the UK, and within that the sponsorship license is topping the chart. There's so many companies who want to set up themselves in the UK through the sponsorship license route. And with that, we receive a lot of inquiries to explain on what should be the process of obtaining the sponsorship license. So here you are answering all that inquiries, all that queries, all that emails that we received where you've asked us to explain more about the process to get sponsorship license. So in this video, we're going to demystify the process of obtaining a UK sponsorship license. Keep watching us. So what is a UK sponsorship license? This license allows UK businesses to employ skilled workers from outside the UK. First things first, you must meet certain eligibility requirements such as having a genuine business, an established HR system, and a clean immigration history. Now let's get into crucial documents you'll need for your sponsor license application. The sponsor management system has an online application form that collects general information about your business. Next, you will need supporting documents. This include but are not limited to proof of your business legal status, that is your certificate of incorporation, proof of your business's genuine need for foreign workers, details of your HR and recruitment practices, proof that you can meet sponsorship duties including monitoring and record keeping. You can provide financial documents to prove that you can support the sponsored employees without relying on public funds. You can also provide documents that show your business complied with UK employment laws. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you can submit your application and pay the relevant fees. You are required to send all the documents within 10 days of submitting the application, or you will lose your sponsorship license fee. After submitting your application, you can expect to wait for 6 to 8 weeks for a decision. Should you be in a rush? Should there be an urgent requirement? Should you be having a project and you really want a decision to come quickly? You can also apply for a priority processing for your UK sponsorship license application. And that is it. Those are the key documents you'll need to apply for a UK sponsor license. Remember, the process can be complex, so consider speaking to a professional advice if you're unsure about the aspects of your application. At SmartMove2UK, we've helped hundreds of businesses to apply for sponsor license. So if you're considering applying for sponsor license, we would be delighted to help. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content on immigration and business. If you have questions or need further clarifications, feel free to ask in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.